Hey guys, I am in my bedroom in my camper. Today is December 22nd and right now it's in the 40s, but tonight it's gonna rain and the temperature is supposed to drop to 6 degrees. I believe the wind is gonna be 25 miles per hour, so I guess the feel of, you know, like what it's really gonna feel like is they said -4. But either way, you know, living in a camper, it is a little bit scary when the temperature drops that low. But I watch channels like Mav and Jonathan Yench and other people who go truck camping in like 0-degree weather, so that should be fine. We will turn our faucets on a stream tonight about midnight. I'm gonna be insulating one of my windows that I left uninsulated because me and Saya love having the windows open. We love the light. She likes to look outside, but with the temperature dropping so low tonight, I'm gonna go ahead and cut out a piece of Reflectix to fit my window, and hopefully that'll help keep us a little warmer. Mom should be good. Her hose is insulated. Her windows are insulated. We all have propane, so I think we'll be okay. Okay, so this window here, you can see it's cracked. Somebody actually shot my window a few months ago. That's the point of entry right there. But I carry my piece with me, so hopefully that doesn't happen anymore. I really think that it was some kids playing around, but who knows. And that's really dusty. I'm sorry, don't look at that. Don't judge me. I've had my blinds closed forever. I only open my window like that much, so I really need to clean up there. So I have cut a piece of insulation to fit the top half of that window, and I rounded the corners so it should fit right in there very snugly. Let's see. There's kind of like a little lip. You can see that it'll fit right in. Oh yeah, that's going in there good. I love that. Look, that's so satisfying. I love it. So satisfying. So now I just have this bottom half, and there's really not a lot of cold air coming through here, but I guess I don't know. I guess I'll put something up there. That's what we've ended up with. It's not the most beautiful, but it works. All right, and then this will pull right down over that, keeping everything snug. And I'll show you guys. That's my other window, so all of that's insulated. So hopefully we'll be okay tonight. I brought you some tacos.
Wow, they already fixed it, huh?
Yeah. I know last year it got down to 12 degrees. I stayed pretty warm. My furnace works good. I just hope Mom's works good in this cold weather. This will be her first winter in her camper, so we'll see how it goes. I know I check propane all the time, but I just want to make sure we're good. You never know when a leak can pop up. We got to be prepared. Okay, mom's good. Mom's got 2 full tanks. In case Mom has an electric heater, but if she needs to run her propane furnace, she'll be just fine. Oh yeah, I'm still good. I've used a lot though.
Thank you for fixing my water hoses.
You are welcome. So the business owner that we rent these lots from he just put whole hay bales on here. Well, I guess it'll work. So he came around and put hay bales on all of the sites that have connections. I don't know. I feel like air can get up under there, but whatever. Yeah, your windows. Do you leave that one open all the time?
No.
Okay, make sure you close that one and then...
The rest of them are closed.
Okay. So Ruby spent the night with me and we are getting ready to go out and fix Grandma's water hose for winter. I like your nails. Just give me knuckles. Ruby has her ears on. All right, we got our socks on, don't we? Let's go. Hey, Ruby and I have decided that we are going to build a fire. Right?
And then we're gonna fix Grandma's house.
Yep, then we're gonna fix Grandma's hose. But first, campfire.
Yeah.
You gonna help me? So for winter, if you're, I think, stationary in an RV or camper, one thing you want to do is make sure your tanks are open. So these are my tank pulls here. This one is the black tank, and then I have my gray tank here. I also have another one down there I keep open for my sink. So we're gonna leave these open for the next few days because it is gonna be freezing. I'm gonna go check Mom's drains. Open those babies up. Mom's are a little bit different. Typically you wanna pull your black water drain first and then your gray water, so that the gray water washes out the black water. All right, so we're just gonna leave her drains open. And that drains to here. We are direct connect to sewer, thankfully. I've insulated almost all of my windows on the inside. I do leave a few open for my kitty cat and myself. So I have all these little windows insulated. I left that one open for now. That's insulated, and that one's insulated. And then my bedroom is. I just used Reflectix. It's that stuff there. So if you missed one of the last videos, you can go back and see where I did Mom's camper. All right, guys. Ruby and I have our seats ready, and we are going to build a fire. What would Grandma do if Grandma was here? So Grandma has a box with little sticks and then big sticks and then bigger sticks.
Yeah, that's what Daddy did.
That's what Daddy did? So you make a teepee. Do you know what a teepee is? We're gonna make like we can put these at the bottom. Those are old sticks. You wanna help me? You can take your gloves off.
Okay.
All right, here. I'm gonna give you those. And look, watch what I do. Put one like this, kind of like a house, like we're building a house, see?
Yeah.
So can you put yours in there?
I'm trying to cut mine.
Okay. So you kind of put it like you're building a house.
Yeah.
Oh, good job, Ruby.
Okay, put it right here. This is going to be a door.
That's gonna be a door?
Yeah.
Well, we're about to light it on fire.
Yeah.
Okay, hold this.
Ooh, that sounds pretty.
Now you know fire is very hot and you can't touch it, right?
Yeah.
You know that, don't you?
Ah.
Can you fan it like that with that? Go like that. I think we got it started. You think we got it started?
Yep, I think so. Yeah.
Wow.
Almost done.
Grandma would be proud of us.
Yeah, and she will see, and she will say, wow.
She'll say, good job.
Yeah.
Grandma's a fire wolf. All right, Ruby and I have successfully made a very good fire. We've got our materials ready to insulate Mom's water hose, and now we're gonna go throw this box away at the dumpster. It would start sprinkling a little bit. The one day I come out, I have to do this. So Mom's water hose is a little longer. I could get her a shorter one or an insulated one. Water hoses are kind of expensive. So the plan is to gather her water hose up in here and insulate this, and then just wrap the rest of the hose with foam. Now my water situation to my camper is PEX, and it's already been insulated, so I'm good. But since Mom's situation is a little bit newer than mine, we've got to get her set up. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is turn Mom's water off to her camper. So here's where Mom's water is. We actually have another option for a sewer here, but I'm just gonna cut her water off for now. All right, that's done. And the reason for that is because unscrewing this from her camper just so I can kind of sort that out a little bit better. All right, materials are zip ties that I got from Lowe's. I'm probably not going to use this painter's tape, but I have it just in case. And scissors. All Alright, so my plan is to insulate this part of her hose all the way up there with the foam. Oh, I bet you're right. You're so smart.
And he's more staying with me.
Okay, that wasn't so bad.
And it's crazy to do that.
I don't know if you guys can hear the rain mixed with the fire and zip ties. You throw these away from me, please? This is called a zip tie. So look, you put it on here, you put it through there like that. Can you pull this? Pull. Oh, wow. See? And it holds it. Ain't that neat? There you go. You really do know how to do one by yourself.
Yeah. I have to make it even tighter.
Yep. Hold this part down here. Let me help you.
Yeah.
I'll hold this and you pull. Ready? Nope, you pull this. I want you to do it by yourself. 1, 2, 3. Oh, good job. Was that your good luck tap? Squeeze. Oh, good job. I just put another piece of wood on the fire. It's been really good at keeping us warm. So far I have this much of the hose done, all the way to where it comes out. Ruby, what are you working on? A racetrack?
No, sand.
Okay, Ruby's working on sand.
Yeah, to put sand on this.
Okay. I wanted to show you guys what I did. I ended up insulating that all the way down. And then we'll put some hay in here. Yes, you can buy heated water hose. You can buy PEX, whatever. But honestly, I'm a little short on budget at the moment. So we're just going to do with what we have. I know it's hard to see, but the sun decided to come out just a little bit for today. So I'm going to put Mom's water hose in here. I actually found all of this in the dumpster. Right now I'm just starting to be in the green after buying Mom's camper. I'm paying off some student loans, but I'm finally debt free. Mom's camper is paid off, so this coming year I will be in the green and hopefully we'll have land very soon. But for the time being, this is what we do. We scrap what we can. We save money where we can. So I don't know how well this is gonna work, but we live and we learn. Trial and error. That's what life is, right? So I've taken Mom's water hose out and I've put it out there to try to uncoil it, but it's being a pain in the butt. So this is where I think I'm gonna put the container, rather, I guess right here. So I guess I'll have this going in here and then coming out to go up there. So I'm probably just gonna cut out this part. We'll see. So we're gonna use the jigsaw. we've come up with. So we'll see how that works. I think it'll work good. Yep, that'll go there. We'll put that end in there. We'll coil it up in there and then bring the other end out. I finally got this coiled up and zip tied pretty well, so I'm gonna go ahead and place it in here. I have my tripod linked in my description. I wish y'all could see it, but it's called a squid grip and it is flexible. It's the best tripod ever. Oh, I forgot. I'm gonna have to put, dang it, I'm gonna have to put that through there. I'm gonna have to cut right there. All right, I ended up cutting this. I forgot about having to put the hose through it like an idiot, but that's what's happening. So that's what we've got going on. Water hose insulated. I'm just gonna carry the insulation down here, tape that down, insulate up to here, plug that in, and then her whole situation should be good, in theory. Ow! Are you fishing? Oh, you caught one! You caught one! I am done with this water hose. I hope this water hose never leaks because that was a few hours of work. So both of our campers have insulated hoses. I think that's it for today. So I will catch you guys in the next one.
Bye, Leonard Belly.
Good morning. It is December 23rd. It's 7 degrees outside. I've lost my voice just a little bit. But I'm not sick. It's not cold in here. Camper is toasty. I didn't get cold at all last night. So Mom should be about the same. I'd show you guys where Saya sleeps. I know you can't see her. Hey, Pumpkin. There she is. Good morning.